2015 Ford Taurus SHO. Beautiful car. He brought it in today for us. What we did is we left everything stock. It's got the stock converters in there. Got the stock third converter, stock resonator, and then it's true dual into muffler deletes. We deleted both mufflers, one here and one here. This is the mufflers that came off of it. We wanted it to breathe a little bit more. So we'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Came out really beautiful. There it is. That's where the mufflers were. Go ahead and give the gas. You want to back it out straight? Gives it that really nice tone. It's not too loud. It's perfect. Yeah. It's the SHO EcoBoost Turbo.
This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, GenoPure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.